Okay, so let me show you how to go about the autoresponder thing, right? So you go to your settings, under it you come to your business tools. That's if you are using WhatsApp business. So you come to your business tools. Now the part you need is where you have the messaging. Now you have the greeting message. Now this is for the customer that is just chatting for the first time. So once they send you a message, there will be a greeting message that will send to them. Like you can look at my own, the way I structured mine. That is send greeting message. Now you can just go about and you filter it, right? So there's away message if you're not online. So you're going to get a message. So you can schedule it. Then you can just put the message down, like the one I did here. I put thank you for messaging for your message. We are unavailable right now, but we will respond as soon as possible for urgent calls. Blah 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 blah. So depend on you, but the one that you need right now is the quick replies. You can use any of the three though. Now quick replies work in this way. You can, let's say the keyword that the people want to send to you is buy or how much. You get how much. So you would have typed the information about the response there. Okay, the price for this product is this and this and that. Even if you are not there, once you type that how much, it will reflect immediately. So this is how you can go about it. I hope this is helpful.